Mr Tumble and friends. Meet Baker Tumble. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
Hello, Baker Tumble.
Oh, hello there. Lovely to see you.
What are you baking today, Baker Tumble?
Well, I'm baking one of my delicious cakes. Oh, it's going to be wonderful.
Oh, what's your favourite cake, Baker Tumble?
Oh, what's my favourite cake? Well, you had to go and ask, didn't you? I love lots of cakes, but if I had to choose a favourite cake, well, it'd have to be chocolate cake. Oh, I love chocolate cake. Do you? Especially with a dab of cream on it. Goes down a treat. One chocolate cake. Wow, thank you. A slice for Lord Monkey. A slice for Polly Dolly. A slice for the puppy. And a slice for Tumble Ted. There we are. And a slice for Mr Tumble. Ooh-doo-doo-doo. Snow is falling.
Do you like baking with your friends, Baker Tumble?
Oh, yes. I love baking with my friends. Though I must tell you, it can get a little bit messy. Whoa, just like that, honestly. I've got to make lots of cakes, you know, for the party today, but there's no time. Oh, I need some help. Oh, Superhero Tumble to the rescue! Woohoo! Wait a minute, first put an apron on. Hey, what are you doing? What's going on? I know that you were trying to help me, Super Tumble, but I think I can manage on my own.
Have you ever entered a baking competition, Baker Tumble?
Oh, yes, and I've judged a few in my time as well. In fact, I remember when I judged a competition between Mr Tumble and Aunt Polly. Oh, my days. Can you guess who won? Right, the proof's in the taste, isn't it? This is just, delicious. Now, Aunt Polly, that is the perfect bake. Right, let's go over to Mr T, shall we? See what he's got. Okay. My taste buds are just so alive. Tricky one, this. It's a hard decision, but the winner of the Tumble Bake-Off, well, it has to be Mr Tumble and Tumble Ted. Thank you.
What's the best thing about baking, Baker Tumble?
Well, the best thing about baking? Oh, I love to share my cakes with all of my friends. Wonderful. Oh, and this last slice is for you, Baker Tumble. Well, thank you, Mr Tumble. Sorry, Mr Tumble. That's okay. You're my best friend, Baker Tumble. La 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 la. Wonderful.
What do you like to bake at Christmas, Baker Tumble?
Oh, well, that's easy. I love to bake mince pies. Do you? Oh, they're wonderful on the cooling rack. Oh, the lovely, delicious smell across the house. You can't beat it. That is definitely my favourite Christmas treat. Oh, you can't beat it. Oh, dear. Now, I'm baking some lovely mince pies. I'll just show you. They're just coming out of the oven now. I can smell them from across the way. Oh, I held that one back, didn't I? Where was I? Achoo! Oh. Whoops. Do-do-do. Cracking. Oh, dear.
Oh, it's been lovely to talk to you today, Baker Tumble.
Oh, it's been my pleasure. Thanks for visiting. You know what, though? I've got to get back to my baking, all right?
Okay, goodbye, Baker Tumble.
Take care now. See you again soon. Goodbye.
Hello, it's me, Mr. Tumble. Did you enjoy that? Woohoo! If you want to see more of me and my friends, then go to BBC iPlayer and look out for CBeebies Something Special.